the devastation so far. However, there has been no full assessment of casualties. Rescue efforts are still on from the Nepal Army side and armed police force, and all the government side is taking earth-collapsed houses, leveled there's old centuries-old temples, including the Manakamana temple in Gorkha and the Gorkha Palace and historic palace of Kathmandu, Bhaktapur and Lalitpur. Not only this, it has also triggered avalanches in Himalayan region. Nepal's immediate neighbors have placed necessary support at this time of national crisis in Nepal. India has pledged all its possible support to Nepal. Besides this, from Nepal government side, all rescue efforts are going on, and in the meantime, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi telephoned President Dr. Ram Yadav and has pledged all his assistance to Nepal. Likewise, the United States and other developing partners have also said of possible support to Nepal. Meanwhile, 4 Indian Air Force planes have arrived in Kathmandu for the rescue works, which has already been mobilized in the hit district of Bhaktapur. The U.S. Geological Survey said the quake measured 7.9 and struck an area between the capital and the city of Pokhara in Lomsung. The series of 6 are still continuous, and there has been more than 60 aftershocks falls so far, among which one massive tremor, 7.6 Richter scale, one 6.6 Richter scale, 20 between the 5 to 6 Richter scales, and the most tremor that felt was early morning at 5. 200 plus casualties guessed at Dhorara fall alone. The historic tower of the Kathmandu city, the historical Dhorara in the capital, collapsed, which was built by the royal rulers in 1800s and is a UNESCO recognized historical monument. Not only this, many old temples and houses have also been damaged. Preliminary assessments suggest more than 90% old buildings have been collapsed. We are giving you the update on casualties and bringing you the latest footage of the rescue activities. In the view of this devastating earthquake, government has urged all educational institutions to shut their regular classes for the next 5 days in the wake of this devastating earthquake in the country. While hospitals in Kathmandu, which are already full with bodies and inflow of injured people, have been coping with the situation by treating the patients on the premises, and also we could see them on nearby roads. Blue Hospital, TU Teaching Hospital, along with other hospitals of Kathmandu are flooded with the injured people. Helicopters, ambulances, dozers, trains, and all means of transportation have been used to rescue and carry the injured to nearby hospitals. Most of the ancient cultures and religious heritages, including Dhorara, Basantapur Palace, Monakamana Temple, Bhaktapur, Babashkar, Pashupatinath Temple, those areas have suffered. The Home Ministry has urged one and all to stay safe at every safe place, and the international community has already been appealed for the relief and aid. whereas India has already sent 4 special missiles to join the operation, and China and the US has also said that the necessary support will be dispatched here. People can contact the authority by dialing hotlines 4200-258, 4200-105, 4200-203, and police control telephone number 100 if need be. Political parties have also deputed the cadres in rescue operations. As we could see in the visuals, efforts are going on from the on the government side and or the international sides as well. We will be updating you more on this. Stay tuned to us. We'll take a short break here.